tradition which we follow where we feel the entire program goes very well when we are lighting the lamp. So with that, now, ladies and gentlemen, beautifully kickstart this wonderful, beautiful event of today. Let's begin with the lighting the lamp. Now I would request our chief guest, Mrs. Preeti Alva, and our beloved center head, Dr. Vijeta ma'am, to please lead us with the lamp lighting. Please a big round of applause for both of them. Please a big round of applause, parents. Center head Dr. Vijeta ma'am to please come on the stage, and also our chief guest Mrs. Preeti Alva ma'am to please come on the stage. And I request the center head Dr. Vijeta ma'am to please present the token of love and respect to our chief guest. And please a big round of applause. Thank you so much both of you. So yes, with this, most of the times we all know the agenda, what it is when we are coming for this kind of events. So how do we start the event? What will be the first performance and what it is called? Somebody told. Welcome dance. Yes? So you all are ready to watch the first performance of the day? Yes? More energy. Yes. So with this, as he told, that is a welcome performance, a welcome dance. So once again, our kids are beautifully ready to welcome you all for this beautiful event, Melodies 2025. So the kids are ready now, and let's welcome the kids now. I'll call up the names, and the kids will be here on the stage soon. It will be Adrit Kishore, Kritika Sharma, Avyan Gaurav Singh, Prisha Roy, Rishank Gupta, Kashvi Kumar, Avya Lal, Ritika, Anvi, Gnana, Vivan Kashyap, Krishank, Vian, Aryan, Rosh, Ashvi, Krisha, Arna Jha, Shirjan, Ahana, Bani, Advika Desai, and Navya. So all the parents of these kids make some noise. Yes, one arm on, and look at the beautiful kids. They're so beautiful. And now, with the count
merry spin around. Shake it to the ground. Shake it up high, high up in the sky. Shake it down low, pointy, pointy toes. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Shake it to the left, shake it to the right. Shake it in the front and shake it behind. Shake it in a star, jump star, jump star. Aha, jump star, aha. Shake it with a swing, hips to the side. Pom poms to the left, pom poms to the right. Round in a circle, high in the sky. Dance, oh, fairy dancing girl, come and dance with me. La dee da dee da, la dee 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 dee. Oh, fairy dancing girl, come and dance with me. It's fairy dancing time, fairy dancing time. 'Cause we love dancing, dancing. Shake it with a swing, hips to the side, pom poms to the left, pom poms to the right. Round in a circle, high in the sky. Dance, yes, I am a fairy dancing girl. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yes, I am a fairy dancing girl. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yes, I am a fairy dancing girl. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yes, I am a fairy dancing girl. Yes, I am a fairy dancing girl. And I dance, 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 dance.
Wow, please a big round of applause. They truly created a beautiful fairyland on stage and you all look so gorgeous. Everybody! Okay, once again, say cheese. Wow. Yes, we have our teachers also now. 3, 2, 1, say cheese. And smile, look at the photo there. The preschool division of Learning Edge India Private Limited. She leads the team of zonal coordinators who manage all Little Ellie. So let's welcome her on stage with please a big round of applause. Preeti ma'am, please come on the stage. Please a big round of applause for her. All the parents. So she's the operations head of Little Ellie, the preschool division of Learning Edge India Private Limited. She leads the team of zonal coordinators who manage all Little Ellie centers across Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai and Chennai. She also conducts in-house training programs. Preeti and her team are responsible for the efficient administrative functioning and curriculum for all the centers. She has wide experience in the preschool industry. She has been associated with Learning Edge since 2008. She has worked as school coordinator and was a zonal coordinator prior to her current role with the company. She holds a master degree in biotechnology from Mysore University. And once again, a warm welcome to you. Please a big round of applause for her. And I would request you to please address the gathering.
Good morning, dear parents, grandparents also, I see some of them, and my little children. It's a pleasure to be part of the annual day of Neotown Center. Annual day is something we wait for, end of the academic year. So it's something very exciting to see the children perform. Some children perform for the first time. Some mothers might have had tears in their eyes seeing their children perform. Yes, it's something we all wait for. As we gather to celebrate, we are reminded of the importance of early years of a child's life. These are the years when the foundation for lifelong learning, curiosity and creativity is built. The little steps they take today, the songs they sing, the dance they perform, the words they say are all part of the journey towards becoming amazing individuals. Children are learning not only how to read and write, but also how to share, care, and grow together as a team. I know a lot of, topics, people talking about early childhood and all that. Yes, this is a wonderful phase. But there is another challenging phase also, which we as parents face, that is when they enter into their teenage. So be there for them. A lot of emotional ups and downs, anger, are all these issues which we read, we see a lot of incidences happening. So that's also a difficult phase for the child as well as for us as parents. So be there. And one important thing I want you to have during that time is what? Tell me. Patience, yes. You have to be very patient, as you are patient now when they are little later also. Thank you, parents. Thank you for all your support, all through your support for Little Ellie. So Little Ellie has grown from past so many years. We have 140 centers. We have Glentree Academy, which is the K-10 school, three schools in Bangalore. So thank you for your support. And all this is possible because of the hard work of our teachers and the sub-staff. So the planning starts long back, 3 months, after usually our Dasra break, we start off our planning for the annual day. A big round of applause for the team, for the teachers. Thank you. And all this is possible, when the leader is passionate and committed. Vijeta, a committed leader who runs this center with passion, giving her best, giving the best for the children. A big round of applause to her too. Thank you. Our little ones have more performances lined up. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You're always inspiring. Thank you so much. We have a special dance performances, which is fathers also joining them on stage for the beautiful dance. So before we even start, I request the fathers of Ayansh, Tarin, Laksh, and Shagun to please join them on stage. Name?
This is Rashmi Ranjan.
Okay. Hi. What's your name?
Shagun Monke.
Okay, sir. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling excited.
Excited. Okay. Sir, what's your name?
Rohit.
Rohit. How are you feeling, sir?
Great.
Great. Yes. Okay. Hi, sir. What's your name?
Kiran.
How are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm feeling excited. This is my first performance on the stage.
Oh, this is your first performance also. Oh my God. Okay. So congratulations and all the best, sir. Okay. Hi, sir. What's your name?
Nitin.
How are you feeling?
Excited.
Is this your first performance on stage?
Yes.
Wow, we have one more. Sir, is this your first performance on stage? Oh my God, sir, yours? You've performed before. Okay, 3 fathers performing for the first time for the beautiful, lovely kids. Sir, you're all ready? So yes, now we can see the beautiful father and kid duo on the stage. So they're all excited. With the count, we will start the music. And I want you all to encourage them with a round of applause. And with the count of 3, 2, 1, let the music begin.
अकेले तुम जो हम तुम संग है तो फिर क्या गम तू मेरा दिल तू मेरी जान
Oh, I love you, Daddy.
तू मासूम तू शैतान
But you love me, Daddy.
तू मेरा दिल तू मेरी जान
I love you, Daddy.
तू मासूम तू शैतान
But you love me, Daddy.
Wow.
तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ कहना चाहूँ भी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ कहना चाहूँ भी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ किसी जबान में भी वो लफ्ज ही नहीं कि जिनमें तुम हो क्या तुम्हें बता सकूं मैं अगर कहूँ तुमसा हंसी कायनात में नहीं है कहीं तारीफ ये भी तो सच है कुछ भी नहीं तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ मैं अगर कहूँ तुमसा हंसी कायनात में नहीं है कहीं तारीफ ये भी तो सच है कुछ भी नहीं
Wow, 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 wow. Since, as we all know, Father's love is truly immeasurable and they proved it. Please a big round of applause. Yes. Rishika, Janvi, Itanya, Moshika, Vishalini, Shrihan, Priyanshi, Nainika, Shaurya, Mahis, Tambala, Manvit Reddy, Anamika, Danvit Hegde, Hiksha, last but not the least, Mriganka.
It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's all problem free. Philosophy, Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata.
much, ma'am. Yes, thank you so much, kids. So yes, as I told you, little Ellie will never stop. Mandal, Madhav, Purujit, Arel, Nainika, Shri, Ansh, Lashit, Ayan, Patan, Janya. Please a big round of applause. All the parents, all the nursery kids parents, please make some noise.
Community, it won't work without my friends. So let's all come together. Together we're stronger. We've gotta remember we're one. With love at the center, we can come together. Hey! I will listen to your words. I'll forgive when I get hurt. I'll pick you up when you fall down. So let's all come together. Together we're stronger. We've gotta remember we're one. With love at the center, we can come together. Everyone belongs in this community. We'll sing as one. Let's all come together.
Hey, yo, big wave. Tell them I come. Small time alongside JW.
My bestie and your bestie sit down by the fire. Your bestie says she want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane. Start my truck, let's all jump in. Here we go together. Nice cool breeze and big palm trees. I tell you, life don't get no better. Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane.
Hey, your mama Gwele, step on the dancing floor. Hips be winding, guitar rewinding, take it to the island way. Yeah, your baby mama, put on your dancing shoes. One drop it low now, take it to the max now. Jam in the small jam way, jam in the small jam way.
My bestie and your bestie dancing by the fire. Your bestie says you want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane.
Oh yeah. Lights are bright, feel the beat. Oh yeah. Move your feet, jump and leap. Party time, don't be shy. Dance with me, touch the sky. Hands up high, spin around, feel the joy, hear the sound. Laugh and play, shake it out. Dancing fun, there's no doubt. Come on, kids, it's time to groove. Jump and sway, let's all move. Party's on, we can lose. Dance party fun, no excuse. Come on, kids, it's time to groove, Jump and sway, let's all move. Party's on, we can lose. Dance party fun, no excuse. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Hip hop beat, oh, so sweet. Round and round, round sway. Dance all night, all the way. Come on, kids, it's time to groove. Jump and sway, let's all move. Party's on, we can lose. Dance party fun, no excuse. Come on, kids. Come on, kids, it's time to groove. Jump and sway, let's all move. Party's on, we can lose, It's party fun, no excuse. Come on, kids.
Wow, wow, wow. Please a big round of applause. So yes, that was really beautiful. We are ready, our kids are ready to set a beautiful rainy season on stage now. So on stage we have a kids performing for us today is Aradhya, Ishan, Vivan, Gaurav Singh, Felicia, Inaya, Shrestha, Anthony, Bhavyansh, Adrit Shetty, Nitya, Suvyamta, Devansh, Shreyas, Salai Aradhya, Rushal, and Adya. So our kids are ready now. So you're all ready to watch the performance? Yes? Okay. All the UKG parents make some noise. Yes. So with this, let's have our curtain out and our kids here performing for all of us. Make some noise for our kids. Make some noise. Make some noise. And a humble request, please keep encouraging them. With this, with the count of 3, 2, 1, music please.
If there is water, then there is tomorrow. There are 5 elements of the nature: sky, wind, fire, earth, and water. Water is very important among these 5 elements of the nature. To understand the importance of water, the children are presenting a dance. Let us see the dance of these lovely children.
Wow.
आजा रे आजा रे आजा रे आजा रे भले कितने लंबे हो रस्ते हो थक न तेरा ये तन हो आजा रे सुन ले पुकार डगरिया रहना ये रस्ते तरसते हो तू आजा रे इस धरती का है राजा तू ये बात जान ले तू कठिनाई से टकरा जा तू नहीं हार मान ले तू मितवा सुन मितवा तुझको क्या डर है रे ये धरती अपनी है अपना अंबर है रे ओ मितवा सुन मितवा तुझको क्या डर है रे धरती अपनी है अपना अंबर है रे तू आजा रे
the greens will sprout. How will they sprout? Oh God, how to solve this problem?
चमक चमक देखो बिजुरिया चमके मन धड़काए बदरवा मन धड़काए बदरवा
काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ।
काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ बिजली की तलवार नहीं बूंदों के बाण चलाओ मेघा छाए बरखा लाए
गिर गिर आए गिर के आए कहीं मन मचल मचल नहीं चल संभल संभल
गए दिन बदल तू घर से निकल बरसने वाला अब मेरे दुविधा के दिन बीत गए भैया मलहार सुनाओ घन घन घिर घिर आए बदरा
घने घने घोर काले छाए बदरा
धमक धमक तुझे बदरंग डंके
चमक चमक देखो बिजुरियां चमके
मन धड़काए बदरवा मन धड़काए बदरवा मन मन धड़काए बदरवा
Wow, wow, wow. That was a beautiful message from all our little stars to tell us the importance of saving water. Please a big round of applause for them. Please make some noise and a big round of applause.
We never had to start. So let's take a pledge today. We will start working today to improve our tomorrow. Come, let's save water.
Come on, everyone. Please save water. That was a beautiful message from our lovely kids. Kids, once again, please a big round of applause for these lovely kids, please. Anay, Aditi, Krishnavi, Adya, Prisha, Sakshyam, Dakshit Hegde, and Saima. Wow, wow. Please a big shout out for them. Yes, I want an encouragement from all of you throughout. With this, we'll begin the music, please. Come on, everyone.
C
Something about the way you move that thing. Something very special.
दिल है मेरा दीवाना क्या कहता है अब घबराना क्या ताल पे जब छुए बदन हिचकिचाना शर्माना क्या खुल के झूमो खुल के गाओ आओ आओ ये खुल के कहो It's the time to disco It's the time to disco It's the time to disco. It's the time to disco. Con mi lady disco. It's the time to disco.
Please a big round of applause. Wow, that was really beautiful. Thank you so much, kids. Once again, thank you so much. So yes, how many of you remember your friends always?
दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है कोई तो हो राज़दार बेगरज तेरा हो यार कोई तो हो राज़दार
Please make some noise and encourage.
तेरी यारी चल माना इस बारी सारी मेरी फिक्रें तेरे आगे आगे हारी यारी तेरी यारी चल माना इस बारी सारी मेरी फिक्रें तेरे आगे आगे हारी बह लगी मुझको तेरी बीमारी इस बेढंगी दुनिया के संगी हम न होते यारा अपनी तो यारी अतरंगी है रे ही है, तू है तो झूठे मूठे वादे, दुश्मन के इरादे सच्चे लगते हैं। दिल में तारे वारे देखता तू ही है तो रोते रोते देखता तू ही है वही। जाने क्यों दिल जाता है, तू है तो I'll be alright, I'll be alright। जाने क्यों दिल जाता है, तू है तो I'll be alright, I'll be alright। सारी दुनिया एक तरफ है हम, हर खुशी को दूर भागे मिल रहे हैं हम। When you smile for me, the world seems alright।
Come on, everyone, please.
खिल जाए जाने क्यों दिल जाता है, तू है तो I'll be alright, I'll be alright। जाने क्यों दिल जाता है, तू है तो I'll be alright, I'll be alright। यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन, गुल्लक में बड़ी चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन। ना किसी मंजिल की फिकर थी जिंदगी, जीने की उम्र थी दोस्ती, और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, भी क्या दिन थे, भी क्या दिन थे।
Wow. Please, a big round of applause. That was really beautiful, and also please a big round of applause for our teacher who encouraged standing down there. That was really amazing, kids. So yes, now it's time for the group photo. Wow, yes. Any others want to join? Any of your friends who are sitting there whom I should call? Okay. Sir, your name?
Pradeep,
Pradeep.
Karthik, Rishikesh,
Ram Kumar,
Ranjit,
Ashish,
Santosh,
Udit,
Rohit, Sandeep,
Amit,
Abhinav,
Vikas,
Jaiprakash, Harsh.
Firstly, please a big round of applause for all the fathers. Okay, so let me explain you the rules. Before that, I want you to make a team of two. So 2 members in one team. 2 in one team. We want one more father, please. One more. Please join us. One more father, please, anybody? Anyone? Yes, sir. Who is not having a partner here now? Last one. last one. But actually, they too were in team. Yeah, that's okay. You can join. So please make a team of 2. And now I want one member of the team to stand this side and the other one facing opposite to them. Please. One of the team members should stand here and one opposite. For example, one should stand like this and the one like this. Please, please. Here, sir. We'll start from here. Yes. We'll make 2 sides. One side of this and one side here. 2 sides. You can make 2 rows. 2 rows you can make it. You can make one here also. Yes. Sir, you both can come here, you two. Okay. Sir, you can move a little. Sir, you can come here. You both. Okay. You can take one. One. Yes. Okay. So seeing the cup or glass, whatever you feel, what do you remind of? Sorry, sir?
झूम बराबर झूम शराबी.
Oh my God. Sir, what do you feel? I mean, what do you...
Something to drink.
Something to drink? What do you want, sir?
Water.
Oh my God, he's asking water. Okay. Sir, what do you feel? Juice. Okay. Coffee. Okay. Sir, what do you want?
I don't need anything.
You don't need anything. So what do you remind of seeing the glass?
Lot of things.
Lot of things which can't be explained here. Yes, I understand. Okay, sir, you?
Remember Bobby Dill dancing the anime movie, holding the glass on his
Oh my God, okay. Yes, sir?
coffee.
Okay. Tea. Okay, so keep the glasses in the middle. How many of you go for gym? On stage? How many of you were going to gym? Okay. How many of you at least exercise in home without going for gym? Okay, super. Okay, let's play a small game now. Please shake hand your competitors. Say hello. Ask their names. Make friend. You already did. You're super fast, sir. Okay. No, but still they are your opponent. Yeah, now I'm changing it. Yeah. So now, which is your head? With both of your hands. Head. Shoulder. Knees. Toes. Yes, this is the game. So I'll be giving you cautions. Head, shoulder, knees, toes. You should follow my cautions. But when I say glass, out of 2, one should pick the glass. Okay? Any doubts? Okay, let's start. Head, shoulder, head, shoulder. Stand straight. Head, shoulder, knees, head, shoulder, knees. Glass. Wow. How many of you are not having glass? Please come and stand this side. Don't go off the stage. Stand here. Yes. How many of you are having glass? Please turn this side. Sir, you can stand here. Wow. Sir, you can give the glass. Whoever is standing this side. Okay. Please keep the glasses down. And again, please make friends. Say hello. Wow. Ready? Head, shoulder, knees, head, shoulder, shoulder, knees, head, shoulder, eyes. Sir, what is your name? Ram. Please a big round of applause for Ram. Sir, you are super excited, I know. No, you're still on the... Yeah. No, with your energy, I was asking them to encourage you again. Okay, head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder, head, glass. Okay, how many of you doesn't have glass? Again, please stand there. And yes, please stand opposite. You can make your teams now. Okay. Ready? Who will win? You or him?
Of course I am.
Oh my God. Sir, who will win?
Let him win.
Wow. He's already given up. So who will win?
Me.
You. Who will win? Oh my God. This is being so simple. Let me see now. Head, shoulder, knees. Head, shoulder, knees. Head, shoulder, shoulder. Watch. Head, shoulder. Yes. Wow. So yes. Please stand here. One glass for me. And the most crucial situation. Please shake hand with your opponent and talk to them. Make friends and discuss who will win. You can make a match fixing if you want. Who will win?
Let the best player win.
Oh my God. Who will win? Head, shoulder, knees. Head, shoulder, shoulder, knees. Stand straight. Head, shoulder, knees. Shoulder, knees. Shoulder, knees. Head. Yes. Wow. So what's your name? Please a big round of applause for Abhinav and all the fathers here. Please, everyone join here. Everybody. And congratulations, sir. Everybody please join. So, I'll get the glass. Glass. So, we have all the fathers here and what's special today, we have kids dancing. So, how can we send our fathers who are on stage without a beautiful dance? So, please play the music for all the fathers and please encourage them. Come on, come friend. 1 minute, play the music. Okay, one small caution for all of you on stage. Whoever is not dancing, okay? Whoever is not dancing will do a solo performance later. So let me see now whoever will not dance. Music please. Come on. Everyone. No. Until the music stops. Come on. Encourage.
Will you sing with me?
Come on.
Say D. Say I. Say S. C. O.
Now everyone. Come on. Yes.
I am a disco dancer.
Woo!
I am a disco dancer.
Wow.
I am a disco dancer. कोई यहाँ नाचे कोई वहाँ नाचे सारे हंसियाँ नाचे सारे जवां नाचे औवा तुमसे है तुमसे प्यार औवा मानो ना मेरे यार औवा तुमसे है तुमसे प्यार
Yes. Please a big round of applause. How was it? Make some noise for them. Yes. Thank you so much, all the fathers. Hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes. Now, wonderful, beautiful moment was created on stage. Our esteemed center head, Dr. Vijita ma'am on stage. Please a big round of applause for her. With great pride, ma'am will present the annual report for the academic year 2024-25, highlighting the growth and milestones achieved by our students, staffs, and the entire community over the past year. here. Let's look forward to hear about the remarkable journey of little Ellie from ma'am. Ma'am, over to you.
Thank you. A very good afternoon to one and all present here. I am extremely privileged to have this opportunity to welcome you all on our annual day Melodies of 2024-25. It's a proud moment for all of us, and with my all available greetings, I cordially welcome our chief guest, Ms. Preeti Alva. Every child has a light. Every ray of light that is radiated makes the child shine in the world. This is so true. It is really a great privilege to be part of a child's life. The little things they do, the unconditional love they show every day, it's just mesmerizing. At Little Ellie, we bring the uniqueness of each and every child. Little Ellie has established itself as a premier institution for learning and providing quality education. It's an honor to say a few awards which we have received. We have ranked number 3 for Best Franchisee Preschool, Parental Involvement, and also in Top 20 Preschools in Bangalore, Icon Award, Top Education Brand Award, and India's Top Prestigious Preschool Award 2024 has been received by Little Ellie. I consider it my proud privilege to be associated with such a prestigious institution. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate our annual day 24-25 Melodies, filled with joy, creativity, and teamwork. We are celebrating the melodies of the shining stars, our little ones who have been grown so much this year with learning, playing, and most important, having fun. We are so proud of their creativity, energy, and the joy they bring to our classroom every day. Hope all of you have enjoyed their wonderful performances, and remember that every moment with them is a special one. Commitment, passion, and hard work of teaching and non-teaching staff is clearly evident in today's performance that we have witnessed. Thank you all for being with us, making this day truly a special and a memorable one. We look forward to welcome you back for more memorable moments in the future with the same vigor, enthusiasm, and spirit. Thank you for joining us in the celebration of this wonderful day and bringing the bright beginning. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vijayta ma'am. Thank you so much. Since now I called upon all the fathers on stage, now it's time for all the mothers. At least minimum I need 10 mothers on stage now. Please. Come on, mothers. Rani, okay.
Janaki, Shravya, Sangeeta, Naina, Nidhi, Miri, Karuna, Surya, Shivi, Sanu, Sindhu, Ajeshwari, Praneet, Aishwarya.
Okay, super. So I want you all to come front. There's a little twist. Please join them, no? To the center of the stage. Okay. So you all saw fathers playing game and then dancing. There is ulta here. First, you all will dance and then we'll go down the stage and play the game. I want everyone to come to the center of the stage. So you all are ready to watch the dance? Yes? Make some noise for them. And music, please. And the same rules, whoever is not dancing will do a solo performance. Woo! Come on, ma'am, you have to come here. Come. confidence only. Okay, so indirectly she'll telling I'll win, but I'm not telling it now. Later when I win, you all can clap for me. Correct, right? Okay. So all ladies with same strategy? Oh my God. Okay. So you have your family, friends, everyone sitting here, right? Who can help you out. The game is very simple. I'll give you a letter and I will give you 30 seconds. All you have to do is, okay, I'll give you 1 minute. All you have to do is go and grab as much as things or person with that word or with that starting letter. For example, I give you A. You can go get the person from A and also you have to grab as much as things, okay? Who is bringing more things for that particular letter will be our winner. Ready to try? And your letter is very simple. It is M. Go. M. You get lot of things from M. Come on. You can ask others' name, whose name is starting from M. Yeah. Come on. M. 10 seconds done. 10. Okay. No, mic is not allowed. You cannot take my mic. Come on. 30 seconds done. 30 seconds done. No, mic is not givable. Okay, 40 seconds done. 40 seconds done. This mic also. No. Mic is not givable. This is for me. I'm counting this. 1 and 1. Okay. Yeah, I'm also. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Time up. Okay. Ma'am. My phone. Okay. My glam lipstick. Okay. Okay. Money. Okay. 3. Ma'am.
Mobile, mango cake, money,
3.
and then makeup.
4. Okay. 4.
My mobile,
1.
my husband mobile, matte compact, metal.
Oh my God. Okay. My mobile, my husband mobile. 4. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Are you with your family here? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is this?
My husband's purse.
All ladies are so genius. My husband's purse.
Mother-in-law.
Oh my God. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay. 1. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, like one money. One will count like one.
1. Yes. No, ma'am.
Then why are you counting mobiles like 8 mobiles?
Mobiles are like too much. So, okay, I'll have to count this also.
One only. Then I will take everyone's mobile. Do all everyone.
Everyone give me time up. Time up.
3, 4.
There's also money. 5.
Mala.
6, 7,
She's Madhavi.
8.
Done.
Done. 8. You're also 8, no? Okay. No, only 1. I didn't count it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my God. Yes. 4. Okay. Mobile. Okay. Okay. And the one who was standing here, ma'am?
My bottle.
Okay.
My mobile.
Okay.
Friend's mobile.
1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Money purse.
6,
Money.
7,
My bangle.
8,
My ring.
9.
My son.
Okay.
My man. Sandals. If you are taking mine, it is for mine.
Yeah. So now you cannot tell cheating because you have to start from the ladies who started it. They told my phone.
They all are my friends. Can I tell you? Mine?
No, your almost done. You should have told it first.
Starts with M. It is not a thing. No?
My son. And she's telling that. Okay, so how many did you count?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10, 11, 12. Okay, somebody we had for 10. 10, yeah.
Membership card.
How many membership cards? 2.
My eyes, my nose,
Okay. The first thing, please a big round of applause for all the ladies first. And we have 2 winners here. One she, natural winner, and one she, using her brains. So, creative winner, yes. Please a big round of applause for everyone. Yes, please be thinking creative, and also please teach your kids also the same.
Once upon a time, there was a little girl who lived in the middle of the forest. Her name was Little Red Riding Hood. One day, she asked her mother if she could visit her granny as she was unwell. She wanted to take some cake for her. Her mother agreed and packed some cake for her to take it along for her granny.
Mom, can I please go to Granny's house? I want to meet her and take some cake for her. Sure, my child, you can go. I'll pack some cakes for you. Please go safely and do not talk to strangers. Okay, Mama, I'll be careful. Go soon. Bye.
On the way, she met 2 rabbits who asked her where she was going and also advised her to take care of herself in the forest.
Hello, little girl. What are you doing in the forest? What is your name? Where are you going? My name is Little Red Riding Hood. I am on my way to my granny's house. Okay. Go safe in the forest.
As she started walking towards her granny's house, on the way she noticed some lovely flowers in the woods and stopped to pick few for her granny. She watched the butterflies, rabbits, and listened to the frogs croaking.
Wow, what beautiful flowers. Let me take some for Granny.
Wow, look at all the flowers. There's so many pretty colors. Sing a song of flowers, flowers all around. Flowers that are growing in the ground. Flowers of every color, they look so pretty too. Red and pink, orange and yellow, blue and purple too. Red, pink, orange, yellow, blue, and purple too. Sing a song of flowers, flowers all around. Flowers that are growing in the ground. Flowers of every color, they look so pretty too. Red and pink, orange and yellow, blue and purple too. Red, pink, orange, yellow, blue, and purple too.
Suddenly, she noticed a dark shadow approaching out of the forest behind her and saw a wolf appearing before her. She got scared. He asked her,
Where are you going? I am going to my granny's house who lives in the forest. Okay, bye.
Then she realized how late she was and quickly rushed down to her grandma's house. The wolf in the meantime took a shortcut and reached the grandma's house before Little Red Riding Hood and knocked at the door. As grandma opened the door, in no time the wolf gobbled her up and wore her clothes and sat on the chair.
What big eyes you have. What big ears you have. To listen your sweet voice. What big nose you have. To smell you. What big teeth you have.
The wolf jumped on Little Red Riding Hood to eat her up, but she escaped and ran outside. She saw a woodcutter cutting some wood nearby and called for help. The woodcutter rushed inside the house to help her and saw the wolf. He hit the axe on the wolf's head and led the grandma out and saved her and thanked the woodcutter.
Thank you, Mr. Woodcutter, for helping us. Moral of the story, never talk to strangers.
Thank you.
Yes, so the moral of the story is never talk to strangers. Please a big round of applause for all the lovelies on stage. The lovely kids. Sign today. So it's a beautiful group photo of all our teachers. And please, a big round of applause for all our teachers on stage. And thank you so much, teachers. Without you, this event couldn't have been done such beautifully. To all the teachers who stood down, danced for the student, a heartfelt thank you for all of you on stage for making this event more beautiful and success. Says with us, we have come for the grand finale, and as I told you, we have a special performance we all are waiting for. So this, now, the moment we will all be waiting. Make some sound, yes? Wow, look at their energy. Vivan, please be seated here. I'll talk to you. Yes, ready, kids? Wow, their energy on stage is so high. And let's have the music, please.
ವಂದನು ನಮಗೆ ಬನೆ ಕಾಲಂ ಗತ್ತು ವಚ್ಚ ರಕ್ಷಕನೆ ಸಂಹಾರಗನೆ ನನ್ನೈ ನನ್ನವನೆ பயமே மாறி போனி அண்ணன் வந்த தும்பிட்டு நெல்ல இருட்டில் சிட்டி வாழும் ராஜாவுக்கு எல்லாரும் சொல்ல இவனை குருவாக எனும் ஜனத்தை வெட்ட காலம் எடுத்து வச்ச சொர்க்கம் போலும்
बनलो ओरिट्टा पोरी बनलो चोरी लड़के जवरा सई सई चारी तब तदल्लो ओरिट्टा पोरी बनलो ओरिट्टा पोरी बनलो चोरी लड़के जवरा सई सई चारी तब तदल्लो इंगे मारी वोडला इंगे रोडला मंगा पारन कोटिया बदलल्ला पुरुडा तलकम बंगा जल्कु बड़कु याद वरंगा आंगे कंडा मेरी कोडुलगा
Let's begin the national anthem, please.
शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 जय
Yes, thank you so much. You can please be seated. Please, I kindly request everyone to please be seated as we proceed with the last part of the event. Now we will begin the dispersal process. As
ready and he performed on the event. All the kids, I will tell about all the kids, they were very enthusiastic, and the event was organized very nicely. All the teachers, they did very hard work, okay, and especially thanks to the ma'am also who hosted this, okay, and what all to say, it was very nice, we enjoyed, and yeah, thank you everyone.
The event was very well organized, and they were able to engage the parents and the kids together. It was nice to see like our kids on the stage and entertaining all of us. So it was a wonderful experience overall. Thank you.
Personally, I like literally a lot, and this event, this annual day was very nice, very well organized. Last year actually I missed the event, but this time it's too good. I like right from the way it started, lighting the lamp to parents dance, teachers dance, kids. So it was all awesome. No other word to that. And literally as a school, they teach a lot to the kids. Apart from the studies, they also concentrate on the discipline and the way the kid has to treat others, behave with others, care for the other peers. Everything is taught very well. So literally is my choice. Thank you.
Annual function, and I'm so grateful with all the performances they have done, all the efforts they have put in from last 2-3 months, and I'm very happy with the performance of my kid who performed for the first time, and I did not see the stage fear or anything because of the hard work teachers, and he put it. Thank you.